So here uh, I'll be taking one of I'll be taking introduction to as a Avispa tool, which is used very popularly used for cryptography and network security lab, and this lab is being part of curriculum of BTech IT program. So as of now, we all know that the stupendous growth of internet opened up unlimited opportunity for computing. However, at the same time, it also brought about a lot of new issues and concerns. Main among them being the security of information being exchanged. Now, we can see some of the examples, some of the possibilities where the importance of this can be seen. It is no longer safe to send our financial details over the network, over the internet, or to the other computer. A person accessing the connections between sender and recipient could read the email being exchanged, and people would try to log in with someone else's credentials and use privileges of that person. Now, there are so many other threats and possible attacks on information. As the technologists found new ways to avoid these attacks, the attackers found new ways to beat the technologists. So this continues even now, and in all possibility, it will continue to happen in future also. And thus, we see that we are leading to the era of cyber war also, wherein threat of losing our very important belonging that is related to our financial data or financial uh, assets that can be stolen by that can be taken up by some uh, uh, attacker. So therefore it is important to know how we can make information exchange secure. So this is a step towards making studying making the security protocols, and then again making these security protocols more secure. So Avespa is one of the tool by which we can make the information exchange secure over the internet. Avispa tool is nothing but it is an automated validation of internet security protocols and applications. Now this is the product of Avispa project. So before going into experimental setup, let us see the general introductory information about the tool itself. So what we can find here is that why we need such tools. We need such tool when the number and the scale of new security protocols under the development is outpacing the human ability to rigorously analyze and validate them. So with these tools, we can very fastly analyze, we can very fastly validate the new protocols, the existing protocols, or any modification to the existing security protocols. So the speed of development of the next generation of security protocol and to improve the security, it is utmost important to have. And what is important to have is that tool that supports the rigorous analysis of security protocols by either finding flaws or establishing their correctness, or optimally these tools should be completely automated, robust, expressive, and easily usable so that they can be integrated into the protocol development and then later on standardized. Several semi-automated protocol analyzers have been proposed in literature, in the presently, but automatic analysis limited to small and medium scale protocols. Most tools come with their own specification language and user interfaces. Scaling up to the large scale internet security protocol is a considerable scientific and technological challenge. Now, what this tool is? This tool is said to be a push button, uh, a button use kind of security protocol analyzer. It supports the specification of security protocols properties by means of modular and expressive specification language, integrates different backend, implementing a variety of state-of-the-art automatic analysis technique for a protocol falsification. What this protocol falsification is that by finding an attack of the input protocol. So we basically try to analyze the performance of the protocol. We try to see the robustness of the security or security of the protocol by using an attack. Abstraction and verification methods. Abstraction based verification methods both for finite and a finite number of sections. User interaction facilitates by emac more and a web interface. If we see the web interface, if we see the architecture of the tool, it has got the building blocks, that is, we take input in the form of high level protocol specification language, that is HLPSL, and translator using HLPSL2 interface. Then we generate the intermediate formats IF, and then there are 4 modules: on the fly model checker, that is OFMC, CL based attack searcher, CL, and SAT based model checker, or tree automata based protocol analyzer. They can be used to, any of the tool can be used to analyze the output. What this higher level protocol specification language is, it supports symmetric and asymmetric keys, non-atomic keys, tables, Diffie-Hellman key agreement, hash functions, algebraic functions type, and untyped data, etc. Security properties, different forms of authentication and secrecy can be checked out here, can be implemented. The intruder is modeled by channel over which the communication takes place, and role based, it uses role based language, a role for each uh, honest agent, a parallel sequential composition. The high level protocol specification language enjoys both a declarative semantics based on the fragment of Lambert's temporal logic of actions, and operational semantics based upon translation into read-write base. And then translation is automatically carried out by the HLPSL2 interface translator. Now, backend of a Whisper tool is, as far as concerned, the protocol falsification and bounded unbounded verification can be done. The on the way fly model checker employs several symbolic techniques to explore the static spaces in a demand driven way. Then constraint logic based attack sequencer, it applies constraint solving with with simplification heuristics and redundancy elimination techniques. Then we have SAT based model checker, which builds a propositional formula encoding all possible attacks of bounded length on the protocol and feeds the result to state-of-the-art SAT solver. Then TA4SP, tree automata based automatic approximations for the analysis of security protocol, approximates the included knowledge by using regular tree language and rewrite to produce under and over approximations. Then we, apart from this, we have Avispa library. The Avispa library is HLPSL specification of security problems currently being standardized by ITL. The Avispa library comprises 112 security problems derived from 33 protocols. Avispa tool assists by running it against the Avispa library, and Avispa tool results can also be seen. So it gives the experimental results that shows most problems are analyzed in few seconds. Backend exhibits complementary strengths. Moreover, TA4SP establishes into a new minutes that take a new protocol and guarantee secrecy. So at the end, what we can say in brief about the tool is that the Whisper tool is a state-of-art integrated environment for automatic analysis and validation of Internet Security Protocol, and it can be downloaded from the URL www.avispa_project.org. The current work extending the Avispa library with further protocols and properties, unbounded verification using abstraction, algebraic properties, guessing includer and other includer models, web services. It offers services through web services component and integration of some related tools that is also done in Avispa tool. So with this, the brief about the Vespa tool is given. Now next few of the experiments that can be explanation of how experimentation can be done using this tool, that is demonstrated.